Some students ask me, is it advisable to use fixative when you're working with pastels or charcoal? Fixatives are great as long as you don't overuse them. This can of Micador fixative, workable matte fixative, it's reasonably priced and it's a good quality fixative. So what it allows you to do is put down some of your charcoal or your pastel, and then if you want to lay another colour over the top, or you still want to continue to work on it but you don't want to smudge what you've already got there, you spray it lightly with the fixative, let it dry. Best to do it in with the windows open. But see, it stops it from smudging. Now it doesn't stop it completely, it will still smudge, if you can see just lightly on the corners there, but of course it won't smudge as much, and then you can lay more layers over the top, particularly when it comes to coloured pastel. And you can even lay white over the top like this here. Now the thing is, if it builds up, it can get a bit sticky and messy. So what I do for my drawings, I spray my charcoal drawings when I'm finished. When I'm completely finished, I clean all around the drawing up, make sure it's all ready to go, it's signed, and then it gets a light spray with a fixative to hold that in place. It is a great product, just don't overuse it.